Hiya, I'm Paul. It's Friday the 22nd of May 2020. So I want to show you the chair bed. So it's all fitted in place. Fastened down, fixed down. So there's videos on YouTube of me making the bed frame, and there's videos on YouTube of me upholstering the bed cushions. So that's it set as a chair. And it's a case of grab this, and you're wondering why it's not full length. This is going to have a unit built here that has a bed extension that comes out when the seat folds forward, so it'll give me 6'4" in length. So if I can do it, I'll put a rubber strap here, and so if I can do it, that's the one. So it's easy to do. It's not on runners or anything. You've got this here, and this is for the portaloo under there. But because of how I've done it, you can't get the seat up to use a portaloo while it's in the car, which I don't really want to do anyway. But you can get it in there for storage. So maybe I could look at the seat and adjust the foam and get it fitting better. But for now, it's alright like that. Also, another problem, if you look, the room from here to here, I've got the modular top storage, and I'm going to remove that, so you've got headroom. So just a short video of where I'm up to. So I want to do more work on it this weekend. Okay, thanks for watching.